Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve permissions on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.